Ridi for a tale of adventure? Met Robo, the super robot. One day, Robo discovers a sad puppy lost in the woods, all alone.
The puppy, named Sparky, needs help finding his way home. Can Robo assist? Together, they embark on a journey filled with fun and friendship. They meet a wise owl who gives them clues to find Sparky's home. With the owl's guidance, they navigate through tricky paths and streams. Finally, they reach Sparky's home, where his family awaits with joy. Robo waves goodbye, knowing he made a new friend and a difference.